Hello everyone, my name is Vina Helen Iviana, my student number 146. I'm from English Prose 1, class A, from Airlangga University. Okay, here I want to share about my novel. The title is The Nickel Boys by Colson Whitehead, and the genre here is historical fiction. In the novel of the Nickel Boys, there are lots of characters. Actually, there are 24 characters, but here I want to explain. I just mentioned there are 5 main characters in the novel. The first is Elwood Curtis, and then the second is Jack Turner. The third is Harriet. This is the Elwood's grandmothers, and then Millie. At Elwood Curtis here is as the main character, and then the Jack Turner is one of Elwood Spears' ethnical academies, and then the Millie here is Turner's wife. Having grown up in Virginia at the same time, Turns was coming of age in Florida. And then I want to share about the issue on the novel. Here the issue is racism. Racism means takes many forms and can happen in many places. It includes prejudice, discrimination, or hatred directed at someone because of their colors, ethnicity, or national origin. Why this novel is interesting for me? Because the book's based on a fact, and the novel of the Nickel Boys was inspired by the real horror story of the Dozier School, specifically for boys in Florida, where children convicted of minor offense were subject to violence abuse. And because of his extraordinary exploration of the reform school in the Jim Crow Florida era, which in the end is a strong story about perseverance, dignity, and redemption of human sins. And I think it is very interesting for analysis and for the issue about racism. The issue in the novel is relevant with today's situation. The example is racism also happened some time ago. Someone from the US named George Floyd was killed by a white policeman named Derek Chauvin. George Floyd is an American citizen who has black skin. Chauvin stabbed his knee into the neck of Floyd, who was unnamed to date. And then, as a form of protest over the violence that has befallen black citizens in the US so far by the police. And then our society make action that reflect racism. After the incidents, many people unhelped the slogan Black Lives Matter on social media. Racism and wrongdoings in its purest form is also portrayed as Elwood in option of a stereotypical black young man. And then here is the specific formal element. I would like to choose one of the specific formal element is the symbol. The symbol here from the novel is the Secret Garden of Graveyard. This is the unofficial graveyard that a team of archaeologists discovered on the grounds of Nickel academic repression the many secrets that the institution has kept from the world. And then this Secret Garden of Graveyard is not a fiction, but it is based on the real in our situation. The specific formal element I chose in the novel is the symbolism. This is the secret garden of graveyard. Why I chose this as formal elements? Because this park is the unofficial graveyard that a team of archaeologists discovers on the grounds of Nichols Academy represent the many secrets that institution has kept from the world. And then this park is the real in our world, just not in our vision. And then for decades, the social bits repeat and killed in students. Here, the personalize the topic based on my novel or argumentative judgment. I would like to share my topic. The topic here is the racism. Racism can be relevant through people action as well as their attitudes. It can also be reflected in system and institution, but sometimes it may not be relieved at all. Not all racism is obvious. For example, someone may look through a list of job applications and decide not to interview people with certain surnames. And then, racism is more than just words, beliefs, and action. It includes all the barriers that prevent people from enjoying dignity and equality because of their faith. And then, the studies show that experienced racism has profound effects on people's health and welfare. In the our study literary text, there is a lot of issue in racism, and then there was a theory about the racism in African American. Okay, that's all from me about my analysis about the novel. The title is The Nickel Boys by Colson Whitehead. And then I would like to say thank you. Bye bye everyone.